Hi everybody, welcome to part 2 of how the eye works, and this video is about accommodation. It's for AQA GCSE Biology. If you're doing combined science, you won't be examined on this particular topic. Right, so if you'd watched part 1, you will know about the structures of the eye, the functions of the different structures, and how to do an eye dissection. If you haven't seen that already, then please do check out part 1, eye dissection. Okay, let's get on to accommodation. Well, what do we mean by accommodation? Well, it's about looking at objects that are far away and maybe get nearer and nearer and nearer and nearer and nearer. Anyway, it's the process of changing the shape of the lens to focus on near or distant objects. So, with the help of Barney the dog, we're going to be looking at how your eye does this. So, when an object is close by, so here's Barney dog, you can see that the light rays are entering the cornea and through the pupil, past the iris, and then the lens. And you can see that the lens is actually very rounded and relatively thick, okay? And that therefore refracts light more, and therefore you can see that the light is being refracted and it focuses on the retina, which is at the back of the eye. So for that to happen, there are several things that occur. So first of all, the ciliary muscles contract, the suspensory ligaments slacken or slack. Try to use the word slacken. They're not a muscle, so they don't contract or relax, they slacken. And then the lens becomes more rounded and relatively thick. So objects that are far away, so here we've got Barney on a dog walk and he's a bit far away there, and you can see now that the light rays coming into the eye, okay, are having to be refracted much less, okay, so therefore the lens is actually flatter or relatively thin, so therefore the rays do not refract as much. And you can see in this case the ciliary muscles relax, that tightens the suspensory ligament, so remember to use the word tighten, and then the lens flattens and it's relatively thin. So to summarize, okay, so when you're at a near object, the ciliary muscles contract, the suspensory ligaments slacken or loosen. Try to use those words in an exam. This makes the lens shape fat or thicker, therefore light is refracted more or more strongly. Distant object, the ciliary muscles relax, the suspensory ligaments tighten, so that's what makes the lens shape thin, okay, because the muscle tension is higher, so it's almost stretching the lens, and light is only refracted slightly. Okay, so that's how we can see things through accommodation. My next video, part 3, is going to look at how you correct vision issues, problems with long-sightedness and short-sightedness. I'll see you soon.